infinitive minus infinitive. How can solve infinitive minus infinitive based problem? Okay. First one 0 by 0, second one infinity by infinitive, and third one infinity minus infinitive. Okay. So first of all, infinity minus infinitive is, how can say it, that one is an indeterminate. Okay. So first of all, look here. If infinity plus 5 this is equal to infinitive, so someone say, sir, 5 this is equal to infinity minus infinitive. Now infinity minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 this is equal to infinitive. So what is the meaning of that one? So someone say minus 2 minus half this is equal to infinity minus infinitive. Similarly, infinitive minus 3 this is equal to infinitive. So someone say minus 3 this is equal to infinity minus infinitive. I hope so clear or not? It means you can say that you cannot say exact value of infinity minus infinitive. It means that is meaningless, or you can say that that is indeterminate. This type of form is called indeterminate form. I hope so clear or not? It is clear or not? So how can solve this type of problem? Simply look here. Infinity means 1 by 0 and that one is 1 by 0. So first of all, these two making like that one. Okay. After that, multiply 0 minus 0 divided by 0. So we got 0 by 0. Okay. We got 0 by 0 form. It means here apply L'Hospital rule. Not apply here L'Hospital. First of all, make like that one. And after that 0 by 0 form, or you can make this one, make 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form, then apply L'Hospital rule. I hope so clear. Then apply L'Hospital rule and we got the answer. Or other one you can solve with the help of conventional method also. Okay. So how can I hope so that one clear or not? So infinity minus infinity is we got in any question, then you can say that that's an indeterminate form. You cannot say what the exact value of that one. So first of all, that question converted like 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form, then you can apply L'Hospital rule. Otherwise you can solve with the help of conventional method also. Okay. Now look, based on problem, infinity minus infinity based problem. Okay. Now look here, limit x tends to infinitive, under root here x minus under root x square plus x. If put x this is equal to infinitive, then we got infinity minus infinitive. It means how can solve this type of problem? Look here. If you want to apply L'Hospital rule, then this one is converted 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Okay. So how can we convert? If rationalize by, look here x minus root x square plus x, rationalize by x plus root x square plus x upon x plus root x square plus x. Okay. Then we got how much? Limit x tends to infinitive, this one written x square minus x whole divided by x plus under root x square plus x. Okay. Now that one written limit x tends to infinitive, here minus x. Now if x is common, then written as 1 plus under root 1 plus 1 upon x. Okay. Now put x this, okay, x by x cancel. So you can say that limit x tends to infinitive, here minus 1 upon 1 plus under root 1 upon 1 plus x. So now put x this equal to infinity, we got minus 1 upon 1 plus under root 1 plus 1 by infinity. then minus 1 upon 1 plus 1, so that is how much? Minus 1 by 2 is the right answer. Make it. I hope so clear. Otherwise you can apply here, this one cancel, limit x tends to infinity, we got x upon x plus under root x square plus x. Look here, if put x is equal to infinity, then we got infinity by infinity form available, so you can apply here L'Hospital rule. Otherwise you take common x in denominator also and solve, we got finally minus half is the right answer. Okay, make it. Under root x square plus 1. So if put x is equal to infinity, then we got infinity minus infinity. It means that is indeterminate form. So how can do? Okay, this is not converted like, first of all this one is converted like 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity form. Then you can apply L'Hospital rule. Otherwise conventional method also you can do. First of all, if you rationalize by, okay, we have focus on that root and that root are finished. So how can finish these roots? Simply if rationalize by, simply you can write now here x tends to infinity, here x square plus x plus 1, okay, and that one root x square plus 1, okay. If rationalize by root x square plus x plus 1 plus root x square plus 1, okay, whole divide by x square plus x plus 1 plus under root x square plus 1. I am so clear. Okay, now look here, limit x tends to infinity, numerator x square denominator okay, x square plus 1 and x square plus 1 are cancel out. So simply we got limit x tends to infinity, here x upon under root x square plus x plus 1 plus under root x square plus 1. Okay, now after that limit x tends to infinity, one plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square plus 1 plus 1 by x square. Now limit x tends to infinity, okay, we got how much? 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square plus under root 1 plus 1 by x square. If put x is equal to infinity, then we got how much? 1 plus 1 by infinity plus 1 by infinity square, okay, plus under root 1 plus 1 by infinity square. Then how much? 1 upon 1 plus 1, that is how much? 1 by 2 is the right answer. Make it. Okay. Now question, limit x tends to infinity, ax square plus b divided by x plus 1, okay, where a is greater than or equal to 0. Now here two possibility. First, if a is greater than 0, if a is greater than 0 means there is a positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 something like, okay. So that one written and x tends to infinity, here ax square plus b divided by x, x plus 1. Now put here, if put x this equal to infinity, then we got infinity by infinity form. Okay, so you can solve with the help of L'Hospital rule. Otherwise, you take simply x is common in numerator and denominator, x square in common in numerator, then we got how much? A plus b by x square divided by here, if x is common here, then 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, so we put here simply limit, you can say that x tends to infinity, so x into a plus b by x square whole divided by 1 plus 1 upon x. Now put x this equal to infinity, then we got infinity. Okay, simply infinity plus a, if anyone face any doubt, then simply infinity plus a plus 1 by infinity divided by 1 plus 1 by infinity. So infinity into a, that is 0, and that is 1 by 0. So we got a is greater than 0, so means a is any number. Okay, any number means plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is types. So 2 into infinity, that's the infinity. So infinity by 1, that is how much? Infinity. So I hope so clear. If a is greater than 0, then what about that value? Simply you can say that that value correspond, we got infinity. But in case of if a this equal to 0, so if a this equal to 0, so x tends to infinity, then that value is 0 plus b divided by x plus 1. Okay, in that case simply if x is common, first of all no common, put x this equal to infinity, so b divided by infinity plus 1, so b by infinity. So what about that value? 0. Okay, it means you can say that if this one is a function f of x, so you can say that f of x, okay, f of x is equal to, if a is greater than 0, then that value is infinity. Okay, and if a is equal to 0, then that value is 0. This is the final answer. Make it.